So how are you?
How are you, Michael?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Good.
How's your side?
Good. Everything is fine, my side. Not feeling well today, a little sick.
No.
Yeah.
How are the markets?
Oh, market. Last couple of days been I'm in plus, so no complaints there. Still learning. It's 24/7 learning anyway
Okay.
with the markets.
Okay.
What you got? What is this?
Um, we just wanted to analyze the synthetic indices and maybe other few pairs. Did you see how the Bitcoin fell?
No, I'm not.
I mean the Bitcoin.
I cannot see it properly, so I'm using my phone. So
Can you see?
yeah, I can see now.
I think right now where it is right now, it's almost a turning point to start to go to the upside because it has established a very strong support here. So this
Yeah.
support, if it's going to hold, I feel like this is going to be maybe the breakthrough for the coin. I feel like right now, where it is right now, it's actually a very good buying point to start buying more coins.
Yeah, the stock market is going up. That's why the Bitcoins are going up. It's been a little while bullish, but today the Google and Microsoft didn't report good. So
yeah,
market fell like I mean, it's like the FOMC, they dropped big time right after the closing bell.
yeah. Mr. Didix, how are you?
Yes,
How is the market your side?
oh, okay. It has been 2 weeks now. I've not been trading because I was so concentrating on the certain program that I was having. So I just finished it. That was this last Sunday. So, but before that, I've been experiencing some problem. I couldn't get it properly. So yeah, now I'm just trying to force now to at least to put my mind down to see what I can do, at least to, to.
Okay. That's wonderful.
And another problem I discover is that I need also to concentrate into at least knowing also other pairs apart from VIX, because when the VIX is consolidating on one place, you can only be waiting for it, at least also to know how to trade other
pairs. Yeah, that's true. That's true, because if you check here where it has been, this was a consolidation. This has been a consolidation for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, almost a week. Imagine almost a week of consolidation. Can you see? This was 1 week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of consolidating, failing to break above or below this zone. So having at least two pairs that you focus on, it's also a good thing, because if ever the other one is consolidating, you focus on the other one.
Yes.
So at least two pairs, they are okay.
So it is already breaking out.
Right. This daily candle, it hasn't closed. It still has 2 hours. So meaning in this 2 hours, it can even close below here. So we still need to wait. But if ever this daily candle manages to break above here, that is a breakout. Once it breaks out there, it means the buyers, they actually won. We now look forward to buying, targeting some levels at the top there. Because overall, if you check, we are in a major bearish market. But in that bearish market, you're always going to have these bullish retracements or bullish counter trends. You're always going to have them. So if you remember, do you remember this point that we marked that time? Here.
Yes, I do. Yes.
What did we say about this zone? We actually spoke that once it taps here, there you actually buy without even asking anything, of which if you check tapped for the past 2 weeks, it has actually been buying from that zone that we marked. So right now, the other zone that I'm now looking at is at the top of the channel around this level there. Because remember, whenever you're trading channels, this is a channel, this is a bearish channel. Whenever you're trading channels, we always know that we sell at the top of the channel and we buy at the bottom. We buy the bottoms and we sell the tops. So somewhere here, that's why I'm expecting swing sales for VIX. So this daily candle, if ever it manages to break above, to break outside of that consolidation to the upside, it means the next zone that I'm expecting for VIX to go to definitely is this area here, which is also somewhere around these levels, which is a resistance there as well. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Right. So once we break above, once today's daily candle breaks above here, we start to look for more buying opportunities. When you're on smaller time frames, they look for more buying opportunities. Whether you're on 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, look for more buying opportunities. Look for more buying setups. Once those setups are, you found them on smaller time frames, you can actually enter those buys using the higher time frame buyers. So my target, once it breaks above here, my target is this zone here. That zone, if ever I apply my Fibonacci, because remember, we're in a major downward channel. In a major downward channel, we form lower highs and lower lows, like this. Lower high here, major lower high there, major lower low, right? So if it comes here, it's also a lower high because it's lower than that one. So somewhere it will be around 50%, around the 61.8, around the 61.8 zone, somewhere around those zones. So once it comes to the 61.8, we take ourselves, taking ourselves from 61.8, we are looking forward to the 0% as our first target, from 0 to negative 27%. Do you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
That's just because once the market has established a channel, it means it can follow that channel for so many, if not months, it can follow the channel for months and months and months. Remember what I spoke about this channel? This channel can actually last for the whole of November, December, so long it's maintained, so long it's not broken either to the upside or the downside, it will still hold. So right now, what we're simply waiting for right now is the break of this consolidation that I marked, this consolidation. So if this daily candle, today's daily candle breaks above here, we know that it has broken and managed to break above, which means we're starting to look for buying opportunities on the lower time frames. So that is what we're waiting for right now. We're simply waiting for the closure of this daily candle. So no need for us to even go to lower time frames because we are waiting for the closure. Once the closure happens, that's when we can go to lower time frames and look for an end.
Yes.
You understand?
So if I may ask, yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes. You as a mentor, apart from VIX, which pairs can I really concentrate myself on, which at least can, it can be easy. I'm still on the starting. That can, at least I can be able to master.
Okay. So when it comes to selecting pairs, you need to know that selecting pairs, there are so many factors that you look at. You look at the volatility of the pair, you look at the behavior of the pair, you also look for, so all those things, you look at the volatility, how does it behave, how does it respect your strategy, how does it respect trend lines, does it even respect your Fibonacci's and everything. So you look at all those factors. So personally, if ever it's not the VIX 75, I also part-time do trade the crash and booms. The crash and booms, those are instruments that I look at whenever I'm waiting for a major breakout like this to happen on VIX 75. So as I'll be waiting, I'll just be playing around on the crash and booms. So okay, either you go to the crash and booms, they can actually give you something, because it's just this, the way of analyzing is still the same. Or you can also choose step index. Step index is also a very good instrument. Step index. I don't advise you to go to volatility 100. Volatility 100 is very volatile, more than even volatility 75. So for someone with a small account, volatility 100 is not advisable. So
yeah, that one I don't even looking at it.
That one is too volatile. The volatility is too much. It's even way more than the volatility 75. So either you choose step index or any of the crash and booms. You can just choose them.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So I hope it's clear.
Yes. Now it's clear now.
Wow. So the closure is very key. Right now, one might think, this thing is closed above, but this 2 hours is more than enough to even push this market to close below inside this consolidation. Going to be outside of that consolidation, either above or below, but outside of that consolidation zone. Okay, just playing around there. 10. All right, so that is it
now I
for,
get an idea.
okay. So that is it. That is it for the weeks. You realize that in this 1 week, someone who was not aware that this is a consolidation, you would find out that most of the structures that you know, most of the setups that you are used to on smaller time frames, you realize that they're not even being respected. Why? Because whenever we're in a consolidation, it's a battle between buyers and sellers. So that battle, whenever you're trading on smaller time frames, you realize that your usual structures that you're used to, they might not even be respected. Let's say you're used to a structure like this. Say once it pushes, consolidates, then breaks out like that. You realize that sometimes it can become break down, take people out, go back up. So it would be doing abnormal things on smaller time frames due to the fact that on high time frame we are in a consolidation, which is a zone where it's a battle between the buyers and the sellers. So the break outside of the consolidation is very, very key. That's why you need to start from the high time frames every time when you're analyzing, because they give you that high time frame view, that high time frame. Once you have that high time frame view, you're never going to experience any problems on small time frames, because you know that if ever that you know already that this and this is happening because of what I saw on the daily time frame or on the weekly, on the monthly time frame.
Yes, sorry, if I may ask, how did you get in higher time frame?
Or you just click, you just do this. Daily it's 1,440. You can do that, or okay, let me do this. Or you can just go to the time frames there, it will be there. Just change there on time frames. You can go here at the top. If you come here, the time frames here, 1 minute all the way to 24 hours. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, that's how you change time frames. That's how you change your time frames.
Yeah, no, it's clear.
So VIX, wait for the full break, the daily candle. Wait for it to break either up or down. Then you start to look for opportunities depending on where it is. It would have broken. Wait for the daily candle. If you go to smaller time frames, you realize that it actually broke. Then right now, due to the pressure on the daily, if the daily candle comes down, you realize that on small time frames, it broke, came back inside again. Which to someone, it might actually be a form of, someone can say this thing is facing manipulation, yet it's not even manipulation, because when you go to the daily, you realize that whatever is happening on the daily is what influences what happens on the smaller time frames. You get my point?
Yes, I get it.
Yes. So VIX75, let's wait for the break. Right now, I saw many people they were buying, many people were selling. All of that is confusion, because right now the best the break goes down, sells, above we look for buys. It's simple like that.
Okay.
So that is it. Any questions?
I think as for now, maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, then with another Zoom, at least I will gather my questions. But for now, first, no, I'm okay.
Okay. Wonderful.
And the